I have a ton of really cute items to show you today from Smoko. I bought these with my own money. I've purchased from them before. I have their floral plushie. It's a bouquet, but it's made of plush and it lasts forever and it's the cutest thing ever. So I made a promise to myself that I was going to buy more things from their site just to check them out and maybe start building my collection. The first thing that I got was this little pepper keychain because I keep misplacing my keys everywhere. I lost my first pair of keys. I could have sworn they were in my locker and they're not. So instead of buying the same keychain I had before, I went with a pepper because I feel like low-key it kind of describes me. So this is a really cute pepper with a smile on its face, and they also sell this as a big plush, but obviously I don't have the room for it, so we're sticking with the keychain. I also ordered their winter subscription box, which is similar to like what I do with the Pusheen ones. It's like a seasonal subscription box with a bunch of really cute stuff. So I saw a reel about this on their social media platforms and I was like, okay, I need it. So it's a bunch of plushies and a couple other items, so we're gonna just pop them open because I haven't yet opened them. So we have a little ice cream. These are so adorable, I can't deal. They're dessert themed. It's super cute. Here's a look at their tag. So it's a little mochi plushie. I absolutely love the little cherry on top. The whole theme is very cohesive with this seasonal box and I'm really happy and excited, and I definitely do think, although I didn't sign up for the full like year subscription, like I didn't pay up front, I might continue to buy these because I feel like they're actually pretty worth the money, but we'll do a price breakdown in a second. Look at this, super beautiful. I love the detailing, and these are also incredibly soft. So this is the matcha souffle pancake mini mochi plush. Wow. A lot of reels putting them on plates and like on tables. Super cute, super soft. I'm looking for the one that really sealed the deal and made me want to buy these because they're all cute, but one of these, the one that I'm holding right now, is just amazing. So this is the Berry Heart Cookie Mini Mochi Plush. Look at that. That is the cutest thing. I would buy this in a heartbeat if it came in a bigger size. This is just incredible and it's so soft and just so cute. I just want to eat it all up. I love the strawberries. I love the detailing. Yes, this is my favorite. This is the reason I picked up this box to begin with. And I obviously bought it pretty late. Like there was a lot of like last chances. So when I saw that it was sold out, I was so upset. I was like, they're never gonna bring this back. And then they did, but now they're gearing up for the spring box. Look at this. This one's actually really nice too. It's a swirl cake. And again, the strawberries. This is gonna look so good on a shelf. Like it needs its own dedicated shelf. What shelf? I don't know, because you know I have no space, but we're gonna make it work because this is absolutely adorable. It's like actually making me hungry. Okay, so these last two are also cute. This is the fruit sandwich mini, double-sided, really cute. I love the detailing on the side as well, super interesting. And then last but not least, we have a boba drink. This is something that I mean actually it's really cute. I was gonna say like I've seen this kind of design on plushies before, like with certain brands that I no longer support, but actually it's really nice because it kind of stands on its own, which I really, really enjoy. It has a little pink straw, little sparkly sparkles, a cute little face. It's adorable. So that's what I thought was included in the subscription service. I thought it was just going to be 5 plushies, but there's actually a couple more items, so I'm going to pull that out right now. We have a little like canvas bag. It says Smoko and it has some of the detailing from this box, and then we have a sticker sheet with all the plushies that we just saw, including some matcha, some stars, some like cookie shapes. Super cute. It says Dessert Cafe on it. And then we have some pastry sticky notes and sticky tabs, again with the same kind of design as everything in this thing. And look at the back, it's so cute. And then it comes with a mystery coupon. Mine's 20% off. It's like a little incentive to buy more things, which low-key I'm okay with. And we have a little fridge magnet, super thin but really nice. And then I just wanted to show you the artwork for what's actually included. So it's like the cafe menu split down the middle. I thought it was really cute, and with like some little prices and stuff, so you can actually like set these up to look like it's actually in a cafe. And then on the other side it says special first access, so I'm assuming that these plushies aren't going to be exclusive to the subscription box, which in some regards is a nice thing because that means if you're not into buying subscription boxes and you can have a chance at getting these later on. And then the sticker sheets and all that stuff. So I'm super happy with it. Even the box is really cute. Not me forgetting to do a price breakdown. So this is the options for the subscription box. You can either do an auto-renewing subscription, which I did not do, or you could do a one-time purchase. And it comes with 5 to 6 exclusive Smoko products included in each box. And then the shipping and handling, which is the part that always gets me, is $6 to $7 depending on your location, and it's up to $25 to $50 for international shipping charges charges depending on the country that you live in. And then personally, well, obviously I live in New York City, but what I ended up picking was the Millie Chili Pepper plush keychain. That was $5. That was on sale. I think it was being clearanced out. They do have a large version of this plushie, which I would love to have, but you know, space. And then the Quarterly Plush Subscription Box. This is the winter box. The April box is now available. It was $49.99. So my total was $54.99. Shipping was the $6.95. So that brought my total up to $61.94. This is absolutely adorable. I love Smoko for their items. I've recently reviewed their snail lamp. Just a little lamp is, I think I want more of their plushie bouquets just because I feel like they're so special and unique and such a good price for what you're getting. And I've seen other companies now coming out with plushie bouquets as well. So it's a trend and I hope it continues. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you happen to be new here, I do videos on all things cute, whether that's Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Lash Fly, Sanrio. Instead of putting this at the front of my video, I'm putting it at the end, even though I know my retention is not great, so you're probably not really seeing this. But if you did stick to the end, just know that I appreciate you even more for that. And I will see you soon with another video. If you have any requests for things you'd like to see, let me know down below. And until next time, bye.